Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen, and today we are doing something different. Something I normally don't do. This is an unboxing of something very, very cool, and it's clothing related, which is odd because I don't do too much with clothing. I think the most I've done so far in the videos was when I opened up the Loot Crate God of War exclusive box. Well, this time around, this is a blast from the past with a modern twist. I saw these and had to order them from Hot Topic. Apparently, I was slipping because they've been out for a while because I got them on a sale. And what we are going to be doing a review of today, this is the Marvel LA Gear line Captain America Jogger. And yep, don't think I said that shit like I was crazy. As I mentioned in some of the other videos, October was a really busy month. I had some health issues at the beginning again of November, and one of the initiatives that I've decided to take it upon myself is to get myself back into the shape I was in when I was 20. I may not make it there, but I sure as hell am losing weight already, and this is part of it, getting my gym stuff in order. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look here at the box. We're going to look at it together and see what's in there, see what's happening and what they look like. I started peeking a little early right there. You caught me on video in case you didn't see it. Just because I am excited. I've been dying to open these ever since I saw them. So enough about my health. I do want to say before we get started, guys, if you enjoy the videos, thank you. I appreciate it. I've seen more subscribers even while I was away for a little bit, close to a month. I love each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like the clothing thing, I may do more of them. Not a fashionista, but I am a pop culturista. And if something catches my eye, I wear it. So let's go ahead. Let's get to it, guys. And here we go, guys. There is the top of the box. I want to look at this box. This box is pretty damn cool. Pardon my language. Don't really pardon it. We're all adults, so I'm going to curse. It happens. Deal with it. What we are seeing is some amazing artwork here. You know, you tend to see with a lot of the crossover things that are Marvel related, a lot of the classic artwork. But if we look closely, this is all very modern artwork. We got Spidey. We've got the Avengers. I mean, it's just real modernized artwork, very stylish. I dig it, I really do. On the sides, we've got side view of the same art. Beautiful bit of Iron Man right there. Thor right there looking like a beast. I mean, just very, very cool. That Marvel / LA Gear Avengers Assemble. You're knowing what you got going on. This is just cool. That is my size. I'm a size 11. You got the standard barcode, the Hot Topic barcode, and it blows me away. These are $55 LA Gears, and I get it. LA Gears is an old company. If you're a kid of the 80s, you remember it. We all had them. They are apparently making a comeback, and they're still a quality brand. My dad had a pair of LA Gears, God rest his soul, that he had for over 11 years, and they were still in great nick. They were still in great shape. The only reason he stopped wearing them is that we forced him into a pair of Jordans because we couldn't see him wearing LA Gears when we went out with him. But guess what? Here I am. I'm going to be doing the same thing. Bottom, basic black box. Bottom, we got the Marvel logo. ACL, manufactured for ACI International, and it's a trademark of LA Gear. Let's go ahead. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Let's open this bad boy up. And what do we got here? Something about CPSC safety requirements. It's California. They have all types of weird safety requirements. It's on the top. You can't see it. I'm going to keep the camera where it's at and not maneuver too much. I'm going to pull this out because that is the receipt, obviously, from Hot Topic with my personal info on there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull these bad boys out of the box. And wow, man, look at that. That is pretty dope. Let's go ahead and swing them around to the back. We're going to take a minute. We'll go over them a little closer once I get them both out of the box. But I love that Captain America on the tongue. We've got some great cap artwork on the bottom, too. We'll get a little bit more detailed here in a second. Let's take them both out so we can go ahead and get a look at both of them and go from there. Let's go ahead. I'm going to move the box out of the way. And let's go ahead and take a look at the front profile. There they are. They are the caps. I'm going to have to move them around a little bit. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm impressed, man. I saw these, had to have them. I'm like, it's Captain America, it's LA Gear, and it's a set of joggers, which I need for what I'm doing right now for my own health. Let's go ahead and we're going to take a look. It's got some basic stuff. We've got the Marvel / LA Gear tag right there. We've got here NatureX 70 at Cosmo. We strive to make the world a better place. The Strobel / insert board in the shoe contains 70% recycled content. Of that 70% recycled content, 80% is from recycled plastic bottles, and the remaining 20% from recycled post-industry materials. So that's nice to hear that LA Gear is staying form functioning. Man, these things could almost pass for a set of Spidey sneakers with their design. Let's go ahead and we're going to use this right-hand side one as the one to look at. Got a white base. I'm in the gym with these. I am not out and about with them, so that's why I'm okay with them being white. Normally, I try to aim for a black sole if possible, but looks good, man. It's a little bit of adhesive here on the front tip, but otherwise, I love the fact that it's got that plasticky kind of support mesh running across it. Blue breathable material. I love this hardened back heel support, which I think is going to be fantastic for jogging. Got your standard pull tab to pull them up on your foot. There it is, boys and girls. Those of you that are real kids of the 70s and 80s know this logo. It is LA Gear. It was the gear to wear when we were kids, and I have no shame in admitting that I am nostalgic as hell for the 80s and look forward to wearing a pair of LA Gears again. Got here the side view. It's an almost exact profile of the opposite side. The blue stops, though. If we notice, it wraps around on the outside to the inside, and then it goes white like the rest of the sole. But it's got that same red stashing, very reminiscent of Cap's shield in his colors. We got the blue webbing across, and I really just love the fact that it's got that in-your-face Marvel tag right there with the Cap shield. Really great crossing. Looks like a really good quality shoe. I hate to say it. Interestingly enough, for those of you that don't see it, oh my God, my wife is going to love this. This thing has got the memory foam insoles. Look at that. I didn't even know that came like that. That is fantastic. We've got Captain America right there in blue. Big, beautiful logo. A little bit of smearing, no big deal. But then we've got this amazing view. Let's pull out the swatting and take a good look. See if we can get a good look at it. A better look at them. Let's get over here, and no, it just stops right there. It is, let's see, we get the great view of a modern Captain America with his shield. It stops right there, right below his foot, but it is so freaking cool that I'm going to be able to get up in the mornings. I'm on the way to my gym and put these bad boys on. These are just amazing. I'm really loving them. Glad I made the investment. I got them for a steal compared to what they normally cost. For gym shoes that I'm going to destroy, I'm totally okay with what I spent on them. I'm okay with the fact that they're LA Gears. Very, very cool. Can't wait to lace them up and get them on. That's it, guys. That is the full overhead review of what they look like, the breakdown. Give you my opinion on what I think of them. Listen, it is LA Gear. You can't go wrong. LA Gear as a kid, like I said, my dad had a pair that he had for over 10 to 11 years that we made him get rid of. But they were like new. They seem to have outlasted a lot of the Nikes and a lot of the Reeboks that we had as kids. And my dad wore sneakers quite a bit. He was a teacher. He was on his feet a lot. And amazingly, those things were in great shape. The insoles were replaced, but, you know, I can't wait to see how these last and look. Hot Topic is having all types of hella sales right now. These I got super cheap. They had some Black Panther ones, some Deadpool ones, just some amazing ones. But these are the Marvel LA Gear Captain America joggers. I just dig them. As always, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. It is November, so for those of you guys in the States, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving regardless of where you're at on the globe. And as always, guys, thank you for watching and have a great night.